You read the directions.
Oh, wow, look at that. Directions name the body parts.
Very good.
Oh,
What's this?
eyes,
No. The arrow that. Say
hair,
air. And this one.
nose,
Hindi, ito anak. Ito.
nose,
Hindi yan nose. Ito oh. Itong arrow na to oh.
eyes,
Eyes. Nasaan? Wait lang. This one.
nose,
Nose. This one.
ear,
Ears. This one.
what's next? Eyebrow,
Oh, no. This one.
forehead,
Forehead. This one.
lips,
Mouth.
mouth,
And this one. Inside the mouth.
teeth,
Teeth. Very good. This one.
neck.
Neck. And then this one.
This is elbow.
No, this one. This one, no? What's that? This one.
Where?
Ano to?
What's that?
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
This one.
Shoulder.
What's that? What's that?
Huh?
It's a chest.
Chest. Chest. Chest.
This one.
Boom. Boom.
Elbow.
Elbow. Elbow. Elbow.
This one.
Elbow. Elbow. Arm.
Arms. Very good.
Tummy.
Tummy. Stomach.
Stomach.
And this
Okay.
one. Hands.
Hands.
Another.
Fingers. Legs.
This one.
Knee. Ankle. Foot.
Okay, very good.
Yay. Okay.
Then, where is the hair?
Of the hair.
Dikit natin yung hair.
Where is my hair? Where is your hair? See at the end.
Oh.
Oh, see at.
Very nice. Where is the hair?
Where's
Look my hair? There's a may arrow.
There it is. I found it. It's a hair.
Another. The
Oh.
ears.
Oh, ear. The ear. The ear is the push in the hair. Oh, what's that? That's fun.
This is this one. The forehead.
Forehead. Where's the forehead? Forehead?
Yeah.
It's over here. Forehead. Oh no. Oh no. There. Forehead.
The mouth.
There's the mouth. Wow, wow, wow. Oh,
The mouth.
mouth.
Here.
Oh, mouth inside together.
Ito. Ito mouth.
There's a mouth over here in the mouth.
And then the nose.
Nose. Where's the nose for? Where's the nose?
Here. Dito sa nose. Baba na ears. Angat mo ante. Dito. Yan.
Oh, look.
It's okay.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Indahan. Huwag mo lang i-ano. Hindi na naaano yun. Oh, another. The eyes. Sa gilid mo na lang siya ng ano ilagay. Normal.
Here.
Dito. Eyes. Here mo na lang ilagay. Teeth.
Teeth.
Baba ng nose.
It's like that it's over here. The teeth inside. Teeth. 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 Teeth.
Baliktad. Baliktad. Ngek.
Look.
Basahin mo kasi.
See, this goes out. See, this goes over here.
This one, the neck.
Neck.
Ito lang. Ayos natin. Diyan mo lagay.
Here.
This one. Basa mo.
Neck is go
Diyan mo lagay.
here. Oh my God, man. Read it again. Oh, this is the neck. Neck is over here. The chest did not get the chest.
This one.
What's that?
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Where's the shoulder?
In the elbow over here. Shoulder. Oh my God.
Then,
Snap.
chest.
Chest. Where's the chest over here? Chest. Chest is about like
Dito. Chest.
Ooga. It's over the ooga. Chest. There's a
elbow.
sticker.
This one.
Elbow.
Elbow.
And it's like
Elbow.
elbow. Oops.
Dito mo nalagay. Saan? Huwag mo patungan, anak. Dito na lang.
The shoulder. It goes to the.
Akan.
Oops.
Dito mo lang ilagay. Yan. Oh, this one. That one. Oh, the arms. Dali. Arms.
Arms.
Yes. Arms. Where's the arms? You. Where's the arms?
Out.
Arms. Very good. Lagay mo na. Yung sa baba na elbow.
Sinato.
Ito yan.
That's just what the Hyenas do. It's wearing a t-shirt
Dali na. Go
and
na.
pants.
Dali, go.
There is arm.
Arms.
Look at the Mars sticker. A Mars sticker picture. Look at
Stomach.
Stomach is go. It's over here. The stomach it goes to the chest. Then it goes here. The stomach
Then
goes
another.
this. Yeah. Oh. Oops.
This one.
Wow. This is a hand. Look at the support. There is the hand over here.
Oh, another.
Oops. It's the other one. Let's see. Woo! Our hands. Next. There's soy.
This one.
What's soy? The purple parts. What's this? Oh, it's a finger. Finger. This goes over here. Finger goes here. What's the last one? Knee, ankle, and foot. Wow, look at there. It's the leg. So leg is go over here.
Here.
Up. It is upper? Yes. Oh, no.
You can pull.
See. Let's go upper. It's up. It's over here. It's at the us.
Then move. That one.
And then the knee is over here. Then now it's
Pakita mo doon. What's that?
foot. It's a foot. Foot.
Yun, sa kabila.
There's the foot. Go over here. And then next ankle. You know what? It goes over here and fell down. Oh, there you go. The last one is the ankle. Yes, it's the ankle. Welcome to the
And then you read it. You read your body.
welcome to the four parts of the body. Parts of the body. In the hair, the eyes, in the ears, in the nose, in the teeth.
Huwag mong takpan. Ulit, again.
Hi, my name is Eliana. Now we going to read the hair and eyes and ears and nose. And then hair, eyes, ears, nose, teeth, neck, shoulder, elbow, arm, leg, foot, ankle, knee, finger, hands, stomach, chest, mouth, forehead. Yay!
That is good.
Parts of the body. Oh look, he's wearing this t-shirt. You have